Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Paperless-NGX on Ubuntu 24.04. First, update your system and install the required tools. Next, add Docker's official repository. Start by creating a keyring folder if missing. Download Docker's GPG key. Continue to fix permissions. Then, add the Docker repository. Next, install Docker Engine and Docker Compose. Then, enable and start Docker. After that, verify Docker Compose. Next, create the Paperless-NGX directory. Continue by generating a secret key. Copy the generated key for later use in the Docker Compose YAML file. Then, create a Docker Compose file. Paste the following content. Save and exit the file. Next, start Paperless-NGX. After that, verify the containers. Finally, open a browser and access Paperless-NGX.